In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your Squarespace website using folders to enhance your site's navigation and user experience. Whether you're a business owner, a creative professional, or just someone who enjoys tinkering with web design, creating organized and easy to navigate web pages can significantly impact the overall effectiveness of your site. Let's dive in and simplify this process step by step. First, if you haven't already, head over to the Squarespace website. Open your favorite web browser and type in the URL or simply search for Squarespace in your search bar. Once you're on the main Squarespace homepage, make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding, as this will allow you to access the website building tools we'll be using today. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. Now navigate to the section labeled Website. This is where all your site management tools are located. Once there, look for the option called Pages and click on it. The Pages section is essentially where all the magic happens, as it gives you the power to create, delete, and organize the pages of your website. Now you'll notice a plus icon in the Pages section. This icon is your gateway to adding new content to your site. Click on the plus icon and you'll see a drop-down menu with several options. For our purposes, we're interested in organizing our pages, so we're going to select Folder from this menu. Selecting Folder allows you to create a container within which you can organize multiple pages, making navigation cleaner and more intuitive for your site visitors. At this point, it's important to mention that depending on your geographical location, the folder feature might not be available. If you're one of the lucky ones who see this option, you're all set to start organizing. If you don't see it, don't worry, many other layout and organizational tools are available in Squarespace that you can explore. Assuming the folder option is available and you've selected it, you can start dragging and dropping relevant pages into this folder. This ability to group related pages into a single folder can help streamline the layout of your website, minimizing clutter and maximizing clarity. Once you've organized your pages to your satisfaction, you're done for the day. You've learned how to use the folder feature in Squarespace to your advantage. This simple yet effective organizational technique not only enhances the aesthetics of your website, but also significantly improves its functionality, potentially leading to a better user experience and ultimately more satisfied visitors. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to check out other tips and tricks to optimize your web design skills. Until next time, happy designing.